As you can see, the snow is still coming down really hard. As I'm panning around to show you what our front yard looks like from our porch. This is the second blizzard we've had in a couple days. Walk on out, you can see the huge amount of snow that I pulled up from the driveway. It's as tall as our light post. It was taller, but it melted a little bit over the past couple days before this next one. There's our house, all snow covered as well. And as I walk around the back, our poor holly bush. A little path that both Gunther and I have worn. Coming around back. Here's what our backyard looks like. Backyard has not been touched. Nobody's been in there since the first storm. As I said before, this is the second storm. So I'm not going to clean off the deck right now until the snow stops, so I can use that to get an accurate measurement of how much snowfall we got in this storm. So anyway, just showing everybody what it's like in good old Baltimore today, our second blizzard. I hear we're supposed to get even more snow on Monday, so that should be interesting. Just wondering where we're going to put it all. Goodbye, this is John Long.